Hi guys, this is just a quick heads up. If you've been watching YouTube videos about drones over the last few weeks, there's a good chance you may have come across an ad for something called the Airon Drone. The ad seems to have been cobbled together using stock video clips and claims to be a revolutionary new drone created by two engineers who used to work for an unnamed big drone company but left because they were angry about the company overcharging customers. The nationality of these engineers varies depending on where you're watching. If you're in Australia, then they're Australian engineers. In Sweden, they're Swedish engineers. And in Portugal, they're Portuguese engineers, and so on. The advert claims that the drone is valued at least €800, but they're selling it for a fraction of the price. If you click the ad, then you'll be taken to a website claiming that the drone is the highest customer rated drone on the internet. The site features a bunch of stock photos, none of which were taken using the drone, along with a bunch of fake reviews. Clicking on the buy button takes you to the checkout page where you can buy the drone with a controller for €129. In fact, the drone they're selling is nearly 5 years old and it was already a bad drone back when it originally came out. They're actually reselling the Eachines E58. And you can buy this exact same drone on AliExpress for €25 with the controller. That's about 5 times less what they're asking for the Airon drone. If we look at pictures of the Airon drone and E58 side by side, we can see that they're even reusing the exact same photos from the AliExpress website. This is a €25 Chinese drone and the footage you get from it is so bad that it's completely unusable. So please be aware and don't be taken in by the ads. That's it for this video, thanks for watching.